Hello everyone. Today we'll be going to discuss problem A from today's LeetCode weekly contest, and the problem name is special array with x elements greater than or equal to x. So we are given with an array of integers and we need to output some value x such that if we take some elements from the array, then all those elements that we took into consideration should be greater than equals to x, and the count of that should be equal to x. So for example, for here nums equals to 3 comma 5, if we take x equals to 2, then both the values in this array are greater than this value, and the count of that we find two elements in the array 3 and 5, and which is equals to 2. Here we don't find any value such that therefore we output -1, because if we take like 0, then we found two values. If we take 1, then we found no values. So there are no values which can be taken into consideration. Okay, now here let's say we have this. So if we the domain of our answer can be from 1 to the size of the array, because we need to output some x, right, such that it is equal to the number of elements in the array. So the number of elements in the array can be from 1 to the total size of the array. So our answer lies in between from 1 to size of the array, right? So if we take 1, then we found three elements, 3, 4 and this 4, which is 3 is not equals to 1. If we took 2, then we found three elements which are greater than 2, 3, 4 and 4, which is not equals to 2. If we take 3, then we found three elements, 3, 4 and 4, which is greater than equals to 3, so 3 is equals to 3. That's why we output 3. Here if we take into consideration 1, we found only 4 elements. 4 is not equals to 1. If we take 2, then we found 4 elements again. 4 is not equals to 2. If we take 3, we found 4 elements again. 4 is not equals to 3, and so on and so forth. So we found no elements, therefore we output -1. So as we know that our domain of our answer lies from 1 to size of the array, because we have to output such x such that it lies in this array, and that count of all the elements we take into consideration should be equals to x. So we can just do a binary search from 1 to size of the array, and on doing the we will do a lower bound, because the meaning of a lower bound is greater than or equals to. So greater than or equals to. Okay, so we will get that ith element such that either it is greater than or equal to. So then we can get the count of how many numbers are greater than this i value. We can just do a subtraction from the end of the array to this current index we are at. So we will just iterate from I equals to 1 to size of the array, then we will do a lower bound from begin to end on this x value, which is I in this case. Then we will count this how many value we have by nums.n2 minus this the current value we are pointing at, and if this count equals to I, then we'll just have to return I, else we'll return -1 in the end of the function. So I hope you like this video, guys, and if you do like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Thank you.